Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Kraken. First, ensure both your Robinhood and Kraken accounts are fully verified and ready for transactions. You will need to access your crypto wallet on Robinhood and prepare to send your chosen digital asset. This process involves finding the correct deposit address on Kraken, which is crucial for a successful transfer. We will guide you through each step to make it straightforward. To begin on Robinhood, navigate to your cryptocurrency portfolio and select the specific coin you wish to transfer. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. It is absolutely vital to copy and paste the correct Kraken deposit address here. Double-check the network type to ensure it matches, preventing any loss of funds during the transfer process. Now, switch over to your Kraken account. Head to the funding section and choose the specific cryptocurrency you are transferring. Kraken will provide you with a unique deposit address for that asset. Copy this address carefully. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own distinct address, so ensure you are using the correct one for the asset you are sending from Robinhood. This step is critical for a successful deposit. Before finalizing, meticulously review all the transfer details on Robinhood, especially the Kraken deposit address and the amount. Once confirmed, initiate the transfer. You can then monitor the transaction's progress on both platforms. Transfers can take varying amounts of time, from minutes to hours, depending on the network congestion. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.